What's going on, everybody? It's CryptoVision here, back again with another crypto market update. As you can tell, I am not feeling the greatest. I've been battling this cold, but ride or die, baby. We're going to cover some assets today. So I'm going to combine everything. We're going to be checking out Solana. We're going to be taking a dive into XLM. And then we're also going to knock out a free ticker request as well. We're going to do one of those. We're going to do XPR as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe for more. Let's get into it. And pardon me too, I might have to mute the mic a couple times if I'm coughing. I don't want to cough in your ear. So we're looking at Solana here on the weekly, and did I draw that? No, I didn't. That's the 200 EMA. Wow, that's perfect. So immediately when I'm looking at Solana, this kind of looks a little scary. If I'm being honest, this through right here kind of looks a little scary. It looks a little bull flaggish. You got your 1, 2, A, B, C for your 3. You got your 4. Maybe you come down for a 5th. Right? Maybe you come down a little bit more for your 5th. But overall, right? Overall, you still. What the overall structure is. From 2023, this thing has been ripping. This thing has been. This is almost looking like. Almost like Bitcoin. I've never looked at Solana. I know, it's crazy, right? So, this is definitely not a retracement, right? Definitely not a retracement. You broke your levels. Pardon me. Yeah, you got above your 382, so not a retracement. What about your extension? Didn't make it very far in your extension either. Just from this, low to high, back down to the low. Didn't make it far at all, right? First stopped right at your 786. Second stop, you reach for the 1272. So, relative to what you did in 2021, this is not. I don't think it's very much. If I'm being honest, I just, I typically don't do the extensions from the previous all-time high in crypto and whatchamacallit, altcoins, because they don't have this structure. Most altcoins. Whoa, I messed up. Sorry about that. Most altcoins don't have this structure where it's just up and to the right. If I'm being honest, right? If I'm being honest, most, have like a blip, and then you come down, you come up, and then you're kind of doing this. That's kind of what most altcoins look like, right? Honestly, or you had like a big run, you came down, kind of like XLM. You're doing that for this last run, since it hasn't looked like this. It has not looked like this. So this is good, but this through right here is kind of sketchy. So we need to find out what we're doing in here. So this looks corrective for sure. I don't know. This whole thing looks corrective. Yeah, from April all the way up to September. This thing was running up. Solana was running up. Wow. Okay. Almost looks like an ABC. Honestly, it almost looks like an ABC. We'll take a look at that. So in terms of, ABC, where did this start from? All the way down here, right? Yeah, all the way down here. Okay. And where are you now? That 618 is a little bit lower, like we were talking about. So we can definitely come up through here. I'm gonna move this to right here. Get above this. Get above 187 on a weekly close, and you're looking good. Do you take out this low? Possibly. And that means you'd come down to your 786. Alright. If you take out your low. Right, if you want to take out your low, you're going to come down through here. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 essentially, or if you're looking at a 1, 2, A, B, C for your 3rd, come up for your 4th, come back down for your 5th. That's possible as well. So two possibilities. And I'm just, spitballing right now. It's not, I haven't really looked at Solana. So, um, in terms of, okay, so this looks like a 1, 2. And then you have, your, pardon me, dang it, I didn't mute. 3, 4, 5. And you come back down in A, B, C. Take out some lows, take out all these lows. See how you take out lows before you run? I haven't really taken out any lows, right? Got a low right here. Let me delete some stuff. Got a low right here, then you came and took that low. Right, not a double bottom. Double bottom's kind of a liquidity trap in my opinion. Get a lot of people long in the same area, right? Get a lot of people longing all through here. Then you come back down, you keep them alive. Essentially, you keep this alive. You keep all the people alive down here. You come right here, build more. You come down and take out both. Okay, so through here you come down, so I think you might come down through here a little bit. Take out all of this. Alright. And Solana looks a lot different than most charts. Right, Solana does. So you do have, oh, no. Let me get rid of this too. Let me get rid of that. So, yeah, in terms of, your correction, like what did you get right here? You almost got like 1, 2. There's no way this is a 3, 4, 5. Right, you have like ABC for your third, coming down for your fourth, and you're gonna come up for your fifth wave of your fifth wave. Something like that. I still think you need one more up. I do. I know it's crazy to say. I know it. It's crazy. People are getting nervous. People are getting scared. People are. We're gonna use this as the low, just for now. Yeah, look at that. That's perfect right to that 786 rejected. Okay, so definitely need to get above that. All right, this 127. Well, you know what? We're gonna do the 1. How big is this? $74 billion. Wow. I'm in shock. I haven't looked at Solana. Yeah, something like that, right? Oh shoot, yeah, like 329. Looking for like 329, something like that. Not through here. That's the 1272. You could get higher, but it didn't get as high as expected from the previous. But still, it's I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but that's still 150% up. Solid return on investment. And who knows, right? If you come up through here, you still need like your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You still need 5 up in your fifth wave. So, let's go ahead. Wow, really oversold though. See, that's the thing. See, a lot of people are very, very nervous, and I get it, but this thing has been so oversold. I had a question about U.S. Stablecoin dominance looking so bullish, right? Crossing EMAs it's never crossed before. Pardon me. And the worries are true, right? The chart is showing a um, bullish behavior, which we've covered, but with the interest rates, pardon me, dropping and money printing turning on, we gotta look at stablecoin dominance like fiat. It's just crypto fiat. It's a risk off asset, right? It doesn't yield returns like the traditional stock market, the precious metals, or crypto, just like the dollar doesn't, right? And so the dollar is looking weak while the stablecoin dominance is looking strong. This signifies that a lot of crypto, right, a lot of money in crypto, or just a lot of money in general is going into stablecoin dominance. So it's easily transferable, right? Really quick. Pardon me. So, all right, I digress. So you still have work to do, even with the green dot, right? You still have work to do. For the most part, when you get a green dot down through here, you're moving and grooving. Like there's no funny business. Maybe this one, but you still went up. Like what, from here to here? You still went up 66%. So there's no funny business. Maybe down through here. No, you still. I mean, that's pretty. This is not what you want. right over here. This is this and that. It's not what you want. Matter of fact, let me pardon me. I don't want to do that. Screw that. Nope, not gonna do that. So Solana on the daily. Yeah. So the way the channel works is, right, you got this area down through here. You got 118 and you got 187. Um, you're in. I mean, you're close to the very bottom. I mean, you're close to this bottom. So, not no man's land, but you could come down through here, complete that fifth wave, right? Complete that fifth wave, come down. You could wick even further, come back up, take out some of this stuff down through here, right? This low down through here too could be a possibility. Right? Just take out that low. I wonder where the other one went. Where did the other one go? Okay, whatever. Okay, so we got that. I'm off my game today. Okay, so a little bit of choppiness, a little bit of sideways. It does look corrective. It does look corrective. Red dot on the Fu Manchu. You really haven't done anything with these green dots, if I'm being honest, like all throughout here. It's, you're up on the stochastic. I don't like that. I don't like that you're up on the stochastic as you look corrective, because that just gives you more room to the downside to run down. You know, something like this when you're up on the stochastic. No bullish momentum up on the stochastic up through here. What you do, you just drop down. So, where are we at? Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's draw. So when I come back, we can check it out. Dang, I am struggling right now. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. There we go. I'm gonna keep that on there. Okay, so you got some work to do for Solana. Definitely got some work to do. I'm just gonna look at the 4 hour quick. Yeah, you're over. Oh, that looks bearish as heck. Ooh, that does. That looks bearish. Oh my gosh, that does. This looks bearish. We're about to find out. That looks bearish, right? Little bear flag forming. Kind of agreeing with that. You're probably gonna go lower. All right, probably gonna go lower. Yeah, right at your 886. Where's that other? Okay. Get something a little bit closer. There we go. And then how many to the downside do we have? The other one isn't showing for some reason, being difficult. Okay, being difficult. Gotta be difficult when I'm not feeling well. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. Okay. So we got some levels now to the downside. So it does look like it really wants 118. If I'm being honest, it looks like it's gonna come up through here, come down. Worst case scenario, I mean, you're down to 94. Dang it. I'm sorry. I need to freaking mute my mic. Gosh damn it. I'm getting mad at myself. Okay, so that's what I got for Solana. If you like today's video, hit that like button, subscribe for more. It does look like it wants lower. I know we had some green yesterday. Solana's not really reflecting a lot of the other cryptos. It's been up and to the right for a while. It's kind of looking like Bitcoin, so I'm assuming Bitcoin looks like this as well. So if you like today's video, hit that like button, subscribe for more. Sorry I'm not feeling the greatest. Trying to stay active, regardless of what the market looks like. Red, green, blue, purple, whatever. I got a free Discord. and also a Patreon. All the information is in the description below. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Peace.